guys, good morning. I'm Priscilline B. Barba for Alpha, and we are here in 8th floor in EJB, and you can see the chemistry department, which you can see the chemistry laboratory 1, chemistry laboratory 2, and chemistry laboratory 3, and chemistry laboratory 4. And now we were going to laboratory technician room, which you can see the different types of tool that they use here. That. So for me, the most I excited about the equipment to use which is the laboratory tools that you can see earlier, because it uses the tools to verify, or we call that chromatography, which is you will use it to determine if it is plagiarism or not because of the ink you use, no? And also these skills is it's for me this is amazing to use, because as a future generation of policewomen or law enforcement is you will use it to determine, and also that it help to solve some cases in court. So now we go to the laboratory 1. And we also learned the monoperiodic table of the elements, as you can see. This is now we go to laboratory 2. You can see here. And now we go to laboratory, and you will see the different kinds of tools. So I hope you enjoy watching. Bye bye.